Are you intrigued by the idea of making money through stock trading, but intimidated by the complexities of the market? You're not alone. In fact, statistics show that a vast majority of aspiring day traders face substantial losses within their first year. But fear not. In this comprehensive guide, we'll delve into the nitty-gritty of stock trading, breaking down the key concepts and strategies you need to know to succeed. So, if you're ready to embark on this exhilarating journey towards financial freedom, let's dive in. Understanding stock trading. Stock trading involves the buying and selling of shares of publicly traded companies. Each share represents ownership in a portion of the company's assets and earnings. It differs from stock investing, which typically involves holding onto shares for the long term to benefit from company growth. Understanding stock trading requires familiarity with market dynamics, company fundamentals, and investor psychology. Successful traders often rely on a combination of research, technical analysis, and intuition to make informed decisions. By grasping the fundamental concepts of stock trading, you can better navigate the complexities of the market and increase your chances of financial success. Types of stock trading. Stock trading encompasses various strategies tailored to different timeframes and market conditions. Day trading involves opening and closing positions within a single trading day, capitalizing on short-term price fluctuations. Swing trading extends over days or weeks, with traders aiming to profit from medium-term market trends. Position trading focuses on long-term trends, with trades lasting weeks to months. Scalping involves rapid trading to capitalize on small price movements. Each approach requires distinct skill sets and risk management strategies. Understanding the nuances of each type of trading can help you choose the strategy that aligns best with your goals and preferences. How to make money trading stocks. In 7 steps, embark on a step-by-step journey to mastering the art of making money through stock trading. From understanding the stock market to creating a solid trading strategy, let's uncover all the essential steps to pave your path to success. Number 1. Understand the stock market and go with what you know. Before diving into stock trading, it's essential to grasp the inner workings of the market. Educate yourself on market fundamentals, economic indicators, and industry trends. Additionally, leverage your existing knowledge and expertise by investing in industries you understand well. Warren Buffett famously advises investors to stick to what they know, emphasizing the importance of familiarity with a company's business model and industry. By aligning your investments with your areas of expertise, you can make more informed decisions and increase your chances of success in the dynamic world of stock trading. Number 2, build confidence with demo and fractional trading. Building confidence is crucial for success in stock trading, and demo and fractional trading can be valuable tools in this endeavor. Start by practicing with demo accounts, which allow you to simulate real market conditions without risking actual capital. This hands-on experience can help you refine your strategies and gain confidence in your trading abilities. Additionally, fractional trading enables you to invest small amounts in high-priced stocks, making it accessible for beginners with limited funds. By gradually acclimating to the market through these methods, you can build the confidence needed to navigate the complexities of live trading with ease. Number 3. Fundamental analysis, a brief guide for picking quality stocks. Fundamental analysis is essential for identifying quality stocks with strong growth potential. Start by evaluating a company's financial health, analyzing factors such as revenue growth, earnings stability, and debt levels. Look for companies with sustainable competitive advantages and robust business models. Additionally, consider industry trends and market conditions to assess the company's future prospects. By conducting thorough fundamental analysis, you can make informed investment decisions and position yourself for long-term success in the stock market. Number 4. Technical analysis. Learn how to read stock trading charts. Technical analysis is a vital skill for traders, focusing on interpreting stock charts to forecast price movements. Start by understanding different chart patterns, such as support and resistance levels, trend lines, and chart formations. Learn to recognize key indicators, including moving averages, relative strength index, RSI, and MACD. These tools help identify entry and exit points, as well as potential trends and reversals. By mastering technical analysis, traders can gain valuable insights into market sentiment and make informed decisions to capitalize on trading opportunities effectively. Number 5. Create and stick to your strategy. The wait game. Developing a robust trading strategy is crucial for success in the stock market. Define clear criteria for entering and exiting trades, incorporating factors like technical indicators, risk tolerance, and profit targets. Once established, discipline yourself to adhere to your strategy rigorously, even when emotions run high. Remember, trading often involves waiting patiently for the right opportunities to arise, rather than impulsively jumping into every market fluctuation. By maintaining a steadfast approach and sticking to your plan, you can mitigate risks and maximize returns over time in the dynamic world of stock trading. Number 6. Diversify your capital. Buy many quality stocks. Diversification is key to managing risk and maximizing returns in stock trading. Spread your capital across multiple quality stocks from different sectors to minimize the impact of individual stock fluctuations. By investing in a variety of companies with strong fundamentals, you can reduce the overall volatility of your portfolio and safeguard against potential losses. Remember, diversification allows you to capture gains from various market segments while protecting your capital from the inherent uncertainties of the stock market. Number 7. Measure your performance. Evaluating your performance is essential for refining your trading strategies and achieving long-term success in the stock market. Keep detailed records of your trades, including entry and exit points, profit and loss calculations, and any relevant notes or observations. Regularly review your trading journal to identify patterns, strengths, and areas for improvement. Analyze your win-loss ratio, average returns, and risk management techniques to assess your overall effectiveness as a trader. By continuously measuring and analyzing your performance, you can fine-tune your approach, adapt to changing market conditions, and ultimately enhance your profitability in the competitive world of stock trading. Where to start stock trading? Selecting the right trading platform is crucial when embarking on your stock trading journey. Consider factors such as minimum capital requirements, fractional trading options, and user-friendly dashboards. Look for platforms with robust security measures to safeguard your data and funds. Prioritize those offering responsive customer support channels for assistance when needed. Pay attention to commission and fee structures, as these can impact your overall profitability. By choosing a platform that aligns with your needs and preferences, you can begin trading stocks with confidence and convenience. Remember, the right platform serves as your gateway to the exciting world of stock trading, so choose wisely to maximize your success. Stock trading may seem daunting at first glance, but armed with the right knowledge and strategies, you can navigate the markets with confidence and precision. By mastering the concepts outlined in this guide and staying disciplined in your approach, you'll be well on your way to achieving your financial goals through the exciting world of stock trading. So, are you ready to embark on this exhilarating journey towards financial freedom? Start your trading adventure today. If you found this video informative, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thank you for joining us today, and until next time, happy trading.